Good morning, guys. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Cheers. Today is the 2nd of October 2022, Sunday morning. It's a beautiful day outside. I'll show you. There we go. Well, at least it's not raining. So we don't have much planned for today. I'll be cleaning the house and then we'll be popping at the plaza. We're gonna buy some wrapping papers, get everything ready for Christmas in Brazil. And I believe Thais is ready because she's looking at me. I'll ask her. Are you ready? Yes. Now we wait. Let's go? Yes. Okay, I'm back. Finally, after going out to the plaza and buying some wrapping paper, I also got these fake plants just for leave this office a bit nicer. Okay, so how am I dealing with all my receipts? There's one more here. I don't know why I'm doing this. Okay, put on the side. So I'm using this platform called Notion. I just started to work this for the last couple weeks. There are heaps of content on YouTube that you can find, but I'm gonna be showing to you just in a very basic beginner level how to use this and keep the track of your receipts. And you'll also be able to share this with your partner and with your accountant at the end of the financial year. So let's jump into the computer and I'll be showing to you how to do this. Okay, let's go. So we are here on the Notion web page. If you scroll down, you're gonna be able to check all the features they are offering for you to work with. You can click in login, try Notion free, but I'll be clicking in pricing so I can show you. You have the free option available. So I already have my login account in there. So I'll be showing to you if you want to click and create as much as templates you want to start to be using Notion. I have other things that I share here with my wife, like ideas, and I have my daily things in my organization that I'm starting, showing to you quick how I find easy, like in a very basic level, how to show you so you can keep the track of all your purchases and receipts. So you can be creating new templates on there or new pages. So I'll be deleting this one because we don't need that. Okay, so on this, let's type purchases. Let's add an icon. Let's make let's say some cash. Let's add money. A money bag. Sounds good. Let's add a cover. Nice cover. Good. Okay, so here you have the option to create a table down here on database, but you have another option to do this. If you hit return and type slash for commands. So let's type slash and database. So they have inline, full page, and other options here. I'll be using full page. And on here, let's type purchases 2022. No, let's make better. October 2022. And also we can add an emoji. Let's add a shopping bag. It's looking nice. Let's add another cover, change cover. They have this option for you to get some photos from Unsplash. Let's find something shopping. This one looks nice. This one more basic. Cool, done. And right here we can rename our table. So in this case, let's type where, so I can know where did I get like my purchase from. And instead of tags, we don't need this now, but I'll be changing into date, so I can keep the track of the date. I don't know why it's not changing here the name, but I'll change now date. Let's make better purchase date. Cool. And also here I'll be adding number, and we can change to price. And at the very end I'll show you this is really nice, what is making easier to get rid of all these receipts is clicking files and media. Awesome. So in here, let's say that we spend $200 at the supermarket. Okay, so we have here Woolies, and then I spend $200 today. I went there this morning. Let's say that I spent $200. Awesome, easy. So what I can do next is files and media. You can do this with your phone as well. I think it's easier to create on the computer, and then if I use my phone to take a picture and just upload into Notion, it updates like in a real life. At the same time, once you update Notion on your computer, it will be updating your phone app at the same time. So in this case, let's click in here, and then we can upload and choose a file. And the maximum size per file is 5 megs. Let's choose a file. I got one here, $200. Happy days. Done. Okay, my file is there. And also here at the bottom is saying you can see calculate. So I'll show, let's say next stop, another shop. I don't know if there is a shop named Next Stop. However, I'm just putting there as an example, saying that I went there today, but I spent $122.59. At the end here, if I hit calculate, I can sum and get the total at the bottom page. So also what we can do is just check here. We have 2 purchases, so we can calculate count all, and then you're gonna be able to see how many purchases you made. Cool. So next step is, if you want to share this with your friend or your partner or with your accountant at the end of the financial year, you can do this. You just come in here and click in share. You can type the email of the person and send an invitation. So she'll be able to check and receive all this information from your database, including the media and the files that you have uploaded with. Okay, so thank you very much for watching this video. It means a lot. If you want to learn more about Notion, there are heaps of contents on the internet, on YouTube, some professional templates, and people just like smashing on this platform. So yeah, see you next time.